Today, our topic of discussion is that parchment or that scroll that was received by Bassanio. So, there is no difference. There is no difference between Bassanio scroll and Morocco scroll, or Bassanio scroll and Aragon scroll. But the content is different here. What difference that we are going to notice is here. Reads, Bassanio is going to read the parchment, that very content of that scroll. You that choose not by view, a person who doesn't choose by the view. View stands for outward appearance. View stands for outward appearance. Chance as fair and choose as true. A person who does not choose anything by seeing the outward beauty, he gets a fair chance. He does have a fair chance and he always chooses the true, that means correct one. Since this fortune falls to you, this fortune means his engagement to Portia, his triumph and his future, his success in the game of casket and his authority over Portia, that is the fortune here, falls to you. These are kind of blessings that showered upon you. Be content and seek no new. Stay satisfied and don't search for anything new. So be happy that you have got enough and don't search for a new one. You have got your wife by winning the game of casket, so do not reject Portia. Here is a matter that you have to look at. Condition was imposed, or you can say three conditions which were imposed to this game of casket were that if a person wins the game of casket, he will get Portia, but if he loses, he cannot marry anyone in his life. Nothing is written or mentioned about if a person wins the game of casket, and if that person rejects Portia, then what will happen. That is why it is written clearly here that be satisfied with your result, be happy with Portia and seek no new, search for nothing new. If you be well pleased with this and hold your fortune for your bliss. If you are highly pleased with this result, this stands for the result. And hold your fortune for your bliss. You just take the fortune, the result, as a kind of blessings of God. Turn you where your lady is and claim her with a loving kiss. Turn back and have a look at your lady, that is Portia, and you draw your authority over her just having a loving kiss. A gentle scroll, fair lady, by your leave. A very nice paper containing very nice words, fair lady, beautiful lady, by your lip, miss, with your permission. Now with the permission of Portia, he took hand of Portia and kissed that. I come by no to give and to receive. I have come here to give something and to receive something. What is to be given? To give love to Portia, and in return he would take the same amount of love. I come by no to give and receive, like one, up to contending in a prize. I feel like those people who participate in a kind of competition. Contending means participating, in a prize means in a competition. That thinks he has done well in people's eyes. Bassanio feels like he is a competitor among few, and he feels he has done very well in front of everyone. Hearing applause and universal shout. Hearing appreciation in universal shout, that means huge chaos, merriment, appreciation, appraisal over his triumph, on his triumph over fortune. Giddy in spirit, still gazing in doubt. He is feeling giddy in spirit. He's feeling a little drowsy because it is hard for him to accept the fact that he has won the game of casket. And still gazing in a doubt. He is still doubtful whether this pulse of praise be his or no. Whether this appreciation is for him or not. So thrice fair lady, stand I even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true. So you are 3 times more beautiful than the term beautiful lady. And here I am standing, but I am not sure whether it is dream or reality. I am very doubtful whether what I am seeing is true or not, until confirmed, signed and ratified. Ratified stands for validated by you. He wants to get validated by Portia that what has happened is true.